That's a first for me.
Yes, look at me. I'm coming toward you. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Pigeons around here don't give a fuck. Alright, so I was mentioning to my mom, I was thinking about hiring a maid or looking into hiring a maid because I was tidying up my place. I was thinking, shit. Got enough on my plate. Well, not really. I mean, in my mind I do. I should just hire someone. And, really it was my way of introducing the idea that, hey, why don't you come over one of these nights while I'm at work and just help tidy up. And I appreciate it. I really do. She even hung up some of my posters that I have not had up in a while. Not too sure about this one. Toilet's still broken.
My God, it's full of cocaine. Now I can assure you that this dog is not being tortured. It is literally just freaking out at another dog crossing the street.
It's just an empty nest today.
Okay guys, I'm not gonna do any more crying vlogs. I'm not gonna cry for the vlog anymore. It's, the entire concept behind my vlog, at the start at least, was to be anti-vlog, to vlog about mundane, boring shit, and, and then it became to, vlog about stuff that literally, not literally, but like no one vlogs about, reveal intimate details of one's life and do things and show things that other vloggers might not have the balls to show, but you can only do that to a certain extent before it starts to get cringy. Like, the point was to be anti-vlog but to still be fucking entertaining. I'm thinking it got too real. Alright, so we're gonna stop with that shit.
That's so fucking weird. I came out expecting it to be freezing. It's actually warm and raining. I think that makes more sense. Cold fronts, warm fronts colliding, making storms, right? That's how it works.
This is kind of weird.
Oh, I'm sorry. What was that again?
Pay the account voluntarily, or do we need to proceed as they've instructed?
I was hoping To take the situation to a small claims court.
Okay. Why is that?
I felt like they were in violation of their contract.
Okay, so do you have any proof?
Yes, I have their contract. I have bank statements. I have for my accounts and my doctor's note. I have everything all together.
But at the end of the day, they've asked us to proceed. So if they're asking me to proceed, then they're pretty confident that if we were to go legal, that they're going to win. They're not going to put their reputation or name on the line for an $1,800 account. No bank in Canada will touch you for any kind of financing. And then what's going to end up happening is later on down the line, it's going to affect you for the next 6 to 7 years. And you're going to be having to go to high-risk lenders to get any kind of financing, depending on what the rest of your credit's like. Now, if they were to go ahead and they have to go legal on it, then and they were to file a judgment or something like that against you, you would be, it's 20 years. It's on your credit. So you're going to be basically left in financial, extreme financial distress with the institutions in Canada because they won't touch you if you got anything like that on there for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gave me a call earlier, and I was just looking further into it, and I'm thinking that, an accidental withdrawal of however amount ultimately comes down to like a computer glitch. I'm thinking that's just poor customer service, and ultimately I don't think I'm protected. So, if you want to get in touch with me whenever you get this, and we can work out a payment plan. I'll send an email in the morning just in case as well. Thank you.
So it's possible. I think it's a long shot. I don't think I'm protected under the Consumer Rights Protection Act, whatever it's called. My argument was that, what if it happened again? To what degree of negligence are they not liable for? That's an argument I'll lose, though. I think I'm gonna have to admit defeat on this one. Yeah, that's pretty typical. Well, that story arc is over. Fuck. It is kind of fucked up, though, that it says that in the contract. By the way, if we fuck up, we're not liable. Like, shit. Wish I knew more law stuff. Like, how many fuck ups are they allowed? Okay, so looks like I'm gonna pay them after all. Here's what's gonna happen. I can't pay the gym. I can't pay the gym on a plan because they gave it to the collection agency. I can't pay the collection agency on a plan because they want it in full. So what I'll have to do is get a loan from somewhere. Take a shower first and pay them monthly back for it. So stupid. Yeah, I decided to fight it. Just let him sue me. Take it to court. Fuck, what the fuck? Okay, I was gonna do a reaction earlier, but I ended up taking a nap instead, so now I'm gonna go get a coffee. Further delaying my reaction, but I'll be energized for it at least. Oh, and I was retweeted by Adik the One. How fucking amazing is that? It was actually a little while ago when I released that Try Not to Laugh challenge. I just forgot to mention it because, I'm not vlogging as well as I used to. Reactions, they're
They get the attention. My phone is ringing.
Oh, taking a nap is such a gamble. You might wake up refreshed, and you might wake up like... This is really fucked up. I slept through my alarm. It's 2 hours past when my alarm went off, and I don't remember hitting the off button at all, but I definitely set it properly. It was set. It didn't go off. What the fuck?
Oh, it's nice out. No, but do you guys think I want to be dealing with this bull crap? I mean, I would really like to go back to the gym, personally.
It's like I know I need to lose weight here and here, but it's like sometimes when I'm eating less food, it makes the fat kind of look like muscle. It's just me in my head. I'm like skinny fat. But yeah, in case that wasn't clear before, I'm not going to pay them. I'm going to let them sue me, and hopefully, we can deal with it in court. We'll see.
See now, if I suck in and I kind of stand at a certain angle, you can kind of see what I was going for at one point.